welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases in the world of two wheels, the 2025 Triumph Trident 660. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your motorcycling journey, the Trident 660 promises to offer something for everyone, blending performance, design, and value in a neat, approachable package. Let's see what this middleweight marvel has to offer. Right off the bat, the engine is the heart of the Trident 660, a 660cc inline-3 cylinder unit. This configuration strikes a perfect balance between the low-end torque of a twin and the high-revving excitement of a four-cylinder. With 80 horsepower on tap and 64 Nm of torque delivered smoothly across the rev range, it provides an engaging and versatile ride. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or navigating the urban jungle, the engine feels responsive and lively, delivering power in a way that's both predictable and thrilling. The chassis and suspension setup further enhance the ride quality. Triumph has equipped the Trident 660 with a lightweight steel frame and Showa suspension components, including a preload adjustable rear shock. The result is a nimble and confidence-inspiring handling experience. Pair that with a low seat height of just 805 m, and you've got a bike that feels accessible to riders of all sizes. The braking system, featuring dual Nissin calipers at the front and a single disc at the rear, offers reliable stopping power, with ABS coming as standard for added safety. Moving on to the design, the Trident 660 stands out with its minimalist and modern aesthetic. The round LED headlight and sculpted fuel tank give it a timeless appeal, while subtle details like the contrasting logo and high-quality finishes add a touch of sophistication. It's a bike that looks as good parked at a cafe as it does blasting down the highway. Triumph also offers a range of color options and accessory packages, allowing riders to personalize the bike to suit their style and needs. When it comes to tech, the Trident 660 doesn't disappoint. It features a full-color TFT display that integrates seamlessly with Triumph's MyConnectivity system, enabling turn-by-turn navigation, phone integration, and music control. You also get two riding modes, Road and Rain, which adjust the throttle response and traction control settings for optimal performance in varying conditions. This blend of modern tech and rider-featured features ensures that the bike remains practical without overwhelming. Perhaps one of the Trident's most compelling aspects is its value for money. Priced competitively within the middleweight segment, it offers premium features and a legendary Triumph build quality at a price point that won't break the bank. Combine that with low maintenance costs thanks to the class-leading 100,000 mile service intervals, and it becomes an even more attractive option for those looking to get maximum bang for their buck. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Triumph Trident 660. It's a bike that proves you don't need to compromise on style, performance, or technology to find an affordable and approachable ride. Whether you're a commuter, a weekend warrior, or someone looking for their first big bike, the Trident 660 ticks all the right boxes. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle content. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one.